Wado gini kameno kwenye Bomas kumani walose katiba mara Kenya. Ni Bomas draft. Mano nchi pending. Monge gini kucha. Mune kwa jiwachi. Omeoko bedo ki contradiction. Koro incha nano kawachi ni Ruto niya. Kakumi umo kirot. Losa mari ni riembo jogika. Ketake mari ni bangi kucha. Wano wabiro kilo ni ji kango kawase loso. Mose ndikre. Toko nisa ndo adwati maraka. Undaketi jimakoni kaya sirikalo kunyal bed mamonge jimatiye. Wakati magoge kibange ne wabiro loso bangi. To bangi tukuro yuwa jawa kucha. Mwado doanch kucha. Ako nike yuwa jawani jawa wikati chutamu. Ni ruwaka yi kucha. Tukibebe beda kanyo. Tok ni ngo. Ni wakelogi. Wagonyogi. Wagonyogi ni kech. Gimanu vi. Watima ngo. Wagonyogi. Watima ngo. Watima ngo. Agonyogi mundo githi kucha. Mundo githi kucha kaka chik mar ODM. To gimilongo ni agreement to onge go jogi. Coalition agreement onge go. Kodgi. Omi ODM put en kaka ne nticha en chama maro pinzani, chama mara Azimio. Nyaka chieng machielo kaka gimoko lokre. Kama ontie ni onge lokruok moro amora mosebeti. And I want to say this so that it can be understood properly. Because the media keep on all the time misinterpreting what you've been saying. You said it so many times clearly. That Kenya requires a national convention. We want to have a national convention that people of Kenya or their representatives will come together to talk constructively about problems which are facing our country today. Kenya is at a critical juncture. We either move forward or we perish. Because we don't want to perish, we need that conversation. And that is what I had proposed, that we must have this conversation that take cognizance of the demographic profile of our nation.